How to create a folder in Microsoft OneDrive. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Take It Simple. In this video, I will show you guys how you can create a folder in Microsoft OneDrive. So let's begin. Firstly, make sure that your OneDrive application is up to date. Now open your application. Once you open your application, this type of interface will be appeared on your screen. Here you will see all the files and folders on the screen. Now in order to create a new folder, click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Once you click on it, here you will see many different options. Click on the create a folder option. Once you click on it, now you need to name the folder. You can name your folder as you wish. Once you enter your folder's name, finally click on create option at the top right corner. Wait for a while and here it is. In this simple way you can create a folder in Microsoft OneDrive. So that's all for this simple and easy tutorial. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.